Welcome to Jobs World. Today we bring you latest jobs in Saudi Arabia. GASCO, a leading company in the energy sector, is pleased to announce job openings in Riyadh with attractive salaries of up to 11,000 Saudi riyals. This exciting opportunity allows individuals to become part of a dynamic team and contribute to the development of the energy industry in Saudi Arabia. GASCO is committed to providing a diverse and inclusive work environment that fosters growth and professional development. The company values the expertise and skills of its employees, offering numerous benefits and opportunities for career advancement. Eligibility criteria. To be eligible for the job opportunities at GASCO, candidates must meet the following criteria. 1. Education and experience. A bachelor's degree in a relevant field is preferred, but candidates with equivalent work experience will also be considered. Previous experience in the energy sector or related industries is an advantage. 2. Skills and competencies. Strong communication and teamwork skills are essential for success in GASCO. The ability to work in a fast-paced environment, adapt to changing circumstances, and solve problems efficiently are highly valued qualities. 3. Language requirements. Fluency in English is required for most positions. Proficiency in Arabic is a plus and may be required for certain roles. 4. Residency status. Applicants must have a valid residency status in Saudi Arabia. GASCO may provide assistance with visa and work permit processing for selected candidates. Documents required. Interested candidates are required to submit the following documents as part of their application. 1. Updated resume, CV. Include a comprehensive summary of your educational background, work experience, skills, and any relevant certifications. 2. Cover letter. Write a brief letter introducing yourself and explaining your interest in joining GASCO. Highlight your qualifications and why you believe you would be a valuable addition to the company. 3. Educational certificates and transcripts. Provide copies of your educational certificates, including degrees and diplomas, as well as transcripts of academic records. 4. Professional certifications, if applicable, include any relevant professional certifications or licenses that you have obtained in your field. 5. Identification documents. Submit a copy of your valid passport, Saudi national ID, if applicable, and residency permit. How to apply? To apply for the job opportunities at GASCO, visit GASCO's official website and navigate to the Careers section. Link in the description. So, what are you waiting for? Go and grab the opportunity in Saudi Arabia. Like this video if it's helpful for you, and please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for stay up to date for the latest jobs.